Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday. Taco Tuesday is traditional. How about Tequila Tuesday? I actually considered buying a bottle of tequila yesterday. Wow, I haven't had tequila in, a long time. And I think I know why. Okay, as you can see, I've been sheared. I feel human again. I have found a barber. And not just after going to him once. His name is Rogelio, or he goes by Roger. He's over at Uppercut, over there in Marysville. Yes, I'm actually traveling across the river. Rogelio has done my hair now twice. He remembered, after a month plus, he remembered what I did for a living. Cool. And he basically remembered my haircut. But his attention to detail is what wins me over. So, here it is. All right. Last night, I prepared my version of the garlic parmesan chicken bites. I added red bell pepper, onion. It was yellow onion, if you're curious. And I added some herbs. It was basil, Italian basil, celery flake, and red pepper flake. And actually, red pepper flake is part of the recipe. It's optional. So, I've showed a couple different videos and photos of last night's meal. It was very good. I'm sure Robin's jealous. All right, tonight, I'm doing shepherd's pie. But here's the twist, and we'll get to it. Let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Got the casserole dish or the glassware for the end product. I like to use Dutch ovens when I'm doing things like this because of the high walls. Yeah, I tend to make a mess. All right, what's the twist in this package is ground elk. Now, I know elk is not tradition, but remember in my kitchen, recipes are just guidelines. So, we got beef stock. We've got some olive oil. We've got kosher salt, black pepper, Worcestershire sauce, Lee & Perrins. It's the only Worcestershire allowed in my kitchen. Some tomato paste, frozen carrots, frozen peas, frozen corn, a red onion, some flour, garlic, the mashed potatoes from Sunday evening's dinner. We got some whole thyme, some dried parsley flakes, and some rosemary. This should be really good. And I'll probably add some basil and maybe a couple other herbs, but not too much. This is going to be at least 2 meals for me because again, I'm home alone. Just me and the cats. All right. On this Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.